Right, so this is the most infuriating thing going. Hello everyone, we're right here, and today we've got another video. Now, okay. Last video I did show you the mirror and okay. Let me show you guys now. So now, in fact, if I turn, oh, where am I going? Now, if my phone focuses, if I press the up button, you can hear it, and that's going up there, down, left, and right. So that's basically where we are, and today we actually do the other one, but today we're going to do something very special. Well, I say that, I'm going to attempt something very special. Now, if you look at these Audis and these high-end Audis, you'll see these indicators. They go, look at that, they sweep. They sweep. Now, obviously, man's not an Audi, but to get like an extra 310 horsepower, I've gone to Wish. Right, so here I have the Wish.com Sequential lighter. Oh, Jesus, it's broken. So you can see they're in a pattern there. Now, can I cut this? I don't know, because I'm going to guess it's too long. But we have got a small bit here. That's for the wiring. This could be very problematic in trying to fit it. But it actually tells me what we need to do. So, red. Up. There we go. Red. It's accelerator? No. What, black is ground, and then yellow is the turn. So let's get it hooked up with the battery. Yes, sir. That is bright as hell. Oh, if I did it properly. That is sick. So it looks like this could work. Right, first, let's take this apart. You just literally do every screw known to man on this, and then it will somehow come apart. The mirror, however, you have to start from the bottom and then pull up. I'll do a detailed video on this in a later date. Right, so the first thing we need to know is that this indicator is plastic welded, which means if you're going to take this off, don't, because you'll ruin it. So what we need to do is get out a Dremel and just literally basically make a notch so we can actually feed in the LED strip in. Right, so the first things first, I need to cut off all of the plastic coating around it to keep it waterproof. So now it's not waterproof, but we're going to make it waterproof with this butyl tape that I've got left over from a project that I never even attempted. So basically, we're just sizing up a little bit, see how much is there, and then what we'll do is just, you know what, I'll just smack the hell out of this with butyl. You know, I'll just put that whole butyl tape on this piece. Right, so I put that's really bad. Right, so I put everything back together.
No, it's not. It's this one here, right?
Yeah, so yellow one, that turn one there. I had to take this out twice because of an incident where the whole thing went up. But we still got a little bit up there, but that's fine. It's all good. Don't worry. 300 horsepower right there. Right, let's get this installed. So first, we take this door card off, and now let's take the wing mirrors off. Right, so I'm just trying to throw out the indicator. If I pull this back towards the car, I'll tell you that as I can't do it. To get the indicator off, you need to push it back as far as you can and then pull it forward like that. And here, we've got our two wires. Now, if I open the door, we can see that there's two rubber grommets. One here to go to the door, and one here at the very top. And start moving it, you can see that this here is the two cables. Now, if you go down here, take this bit off here by having one screw from here. You can go in. If I move the same thing again, and if I go in further, you can see that we do route the hell of it through the gap down there. can't lie to you guys, this is absolutely insane. So we can see I've pulled out this bit part here, moving in. If I rotate the phone like this, so we're probably looking at sideways, but at the very edge there you can see that little tip there. That is in fact a screwdriver that I've managed to put in. Now, have I wrecked all the other wiring? I probably have, but what we do is essentially put one of these wires, tape it to it, and then just pull it through. Right, so it's actually been like a whole day since we got this through. Like, it took so bloody long, and every time it just kept getting better and better. But the same happened until the neighbour came out and said, "What are you doing?" And managed to get this metal hook through with the cables here. So we're going to try and get this all routed up today. Basically, we've gone up to Halfords and we've got some of these cable lock connectors. So basically these are just Halfords BTEC T-taps really. So now I can find the cable in here.
Right, so this is a voiceover, but this cable here, this is where the top part of the indicator bit is from the fender. Oh my god, I can't even speak English. Basically, the two wires go from the fender bulb up and through the top bit of the door and then into this plug right here. So what we're going to do, we just splice into this plug, just get the live connection.
Alright, boom. So we messed up. Basically, down in here, I don't know how I'm going to take this part out, but there's another one of those weird twisty things. So yeah, but in here we put the two things in there. I managed, thankfully, I got the power one, the correct, the one, not the ground. So what we've done, we've actually tested it, where we have the indicator here, all hooked up, and we hooked this one straight to the ground, which is here, and then put it all through. So if I press on the indicators now, and you can sort of see it there. I won't show you too much at the moment until I get this back on and get this all cleared up, because that is not a good sight. Honestly, if any electrician is watching, please do not, and if anyone wants to do this, please do not follow me, because your car will definitely go. And I don't envy any electrician's job, because this is horrendous. Anyway, back to the fun part. Let's tidy everything up. I can't. Guys, look, we finished it. We finished the right one, the other than the left one, and I'm gonna do that my own time, because this is the most painful thing going. Basically, you're gonna look at it and you'll be like, what in the Audi is this? I mean, an extra 300 horsepower for this. This isn't a flattering image, is it? Jesus, man needs a shave and some E45 lotion. Jesus Christ. And a haircut. That's how long I've been out here doing this block light wiring. Like 10 years. Man's got a full-on beard, even though it's patchy as hell. What's going on? Let's show you. Right, so this is the most infuriating thing going. Come on, phone, please work. Look at the fake motion alert. Essentially that's that. If you've got a bit of a up bit there and then it follows round, which is really annoying. However, for it to be cheapo job, yeah, it works. However, I do take this off because, as you can see, I've got 50 shades of blue going on here. Bloody hell. So in the future, this needs to come off again, and I cannot bother. I can't be bothered to do that one over there. But yeah. Anyway, that's that, everyone. It's been Motor Rally. I can't even be bothered to do an outro in my car or something in the kitchen, because I can't. What's this going on? Welcome to Motor Rally's kitchen channel. But yeah, no, do I recommend this at home? No. Don't try it. I'm not liable for anything. If your car goes, then it goes. It's been Motor Rally. Have a good one. See you next one. Subscribe if you haven't.